Hello friends, welcome to Stock Lovers TV. Today we are going to discuss on Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited shares and welcome all. Let's not delay. We'll start with what does the Indiabulls Housing Finance do. Key highlights of Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited are like that. Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited is a mid-cap company which is operating in NBFC sector, and the key products and revenues of the Indiabulls Housing Finance comes from interest, financial services, fees, and commissions. The company mainly focuses on the middle housing loans with the average ticket of 25 to 35 lakhs for suburban and semi-urban areas. And if you can see the loan book of the company loan book stood at 61,000 crores as of December 2021, and it has the contracted from the 1 lakh 10,000 crores as on March 8, 2018. The debt to equity of the company has improved from 7x in March 2018 to 2.8x in December 2021, which is very good. And if you can see the asset quality of the companies, the gross NPA of the cost stood at 3.18 as of December 2021, while the net NPA stood at 1.8%. And the company is having the national wide network of like 125 branches and 8,000 plus channel partners. And the company has raised funds in FY21. The company has raised of USD of 515 million of regulatory equity capital through the QIP. Let's dive into the fundamental and technical analysis of the stock. If you can see if you can see here, the Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited is having the total market cap of 4,500 crores, and the stock profit to equity is like 3.76, and the ROC is of 9.57. And the one good thing of the stock is like the book value of the stock is 354, which is like a point 0.3 times the stock is trading point 0.3 times of the current book value. Mm, let's see the chart. This is the chart of the Indiabulls Housing Finance, and the stock is having the RSI of 40, and the stock has fallen from 1394 to 90. Currently, the stock is trading at 96, and if you can see why does the stock has fallen hugely from 1394 to 96. We'll have a few points. If you can see the ratio, like if you can see the shareholding pattern of the stock is like in 2019 the promoters were holding 21% of the stocks, and whereas in March 2022 it is only the 29.66%, which is the 50% they have reduced since 2019. And also like FIS, in 2019, if you can see the FIS was having the 52% of the shareholdings. Now they drastically reduced to 26%, where they almost have sold the 50 percentage of their holdings. Rest like DIS were also like on the sell side like 13% and 45% of the public holding the stocks. And if you can see the with which may be the one of the reason to fall from that much high. And the revenue of the stock is like in 2019 the revenue of the stock is 17,000, and now if you can see the stock revenue is like 88,900 and 983 crores, and like which is very less, which is half of the which is very which is half of from which is half from 2019. And the net profit is also like in 2019 we have 4,000 plus profit, and 4,000 crores plus profit. And in March 2022 we can see the 1,100 and 100. And with this we'll be summarizing our stock. Here we are discussing some few of the pros and cons of the stock. Like let's start with the negative. Like this company has delivered a poor sales growth of -5% over the past 5 years. which is not good for the company and also the investors, and also like promoters and FIS are reducing drastically their holdings since 2019, which is like promoters holding only 9% and FIS are holding only 21% of the shares approximately. Company has, and also like the company has a low return on equity, which is 9.5% last since last 3 years. And one positive point is like the stock is trading at 0.3 times of its book value. This is the one good thing about the stock. Hope all of you enjoyed the video and yeah, like the information what we have shared. Please subscribe to our channel Stock Lovers TV. If you not, you can follow us on Twitter, Telegram, as well as the email. Thank you so much from Stock Lovers TV.